he actually presented Brahmastra to everyone in Hyderabad. It was a big moment for us. Such a massive mega star going out of his way to speak of another film, and he really, really, really impacted the box office of Brahmastra even in the South, and for that we are all eternally grateful. Thank you. And obviously, his next was one of the most awaited films of Indian cinema, and we were only too happy, proud, and privileged to present in Hindi Devara, the madness, magic, magnitude, and magnificence of Devara. Of course, there are so many friends attached in this journey, not just Tarak, who's been a dear, dear, dear friend. And I told him that, this is not the end of this relationship. This is the beginning of a new one, and he knows what I'm talking about. Saif, my darling Saif, who I love, adore, not just as a filmmaker, a friend, family, everything. Just our kids playing with each other makes my heart full of love. The fact that Yash and Taimur are BFFs in school means the world to me. That Bebo and Saif's children, this is just a legacy friendship which will go on. Saif is exceptional in the film. You will realize this very soon. And what do I say about my child? Literally beaming in gold, looking as gorgeous as ever. I still remember the moment Tarak and I spoke about, casting Janvi in Devara. And for me, I felt like a proud papa when she started performing. And then look at that, my God. Matching step with Tarak is no mean task. Like, let me tell you. And she really, really, really gave it her absolute best. And of course, Anil Thadani, Apurva and I are best friends. Anil and I have been hugely close friends from college. So this is like a bunch of buddies that come together, presenting this film. There's so much love in the room, and soon there will be awe when you see the trailer.
So what are we waiting for? So with your kind permission.
Yes. Presenting to you the trailer of Devara. Repeat, please, for the fourth time. Please do not capture anything. Do not post anything. You do know the official time of telecast worldwide is 5:04 p.m. and we cannot have anything out for all kinds of reasons. We do hope you respect the filmmakers' huge amount of planning strategy in going about this the right way. So we really, really want you to not record any of this. Just watch it, enjoy it. Trust me, it's more than worth it. Devara and seeing Tarak's and Siva's vision, literally. And you haven't seen anything as yet. You have to see what's going to unfold right now. Tarak, I've known, of course, he was very gracious, I remember, where he actually presented Brahmastra to everyone in Hyderabad. It was a big moment for us. Such a massive mega star going out of his way to speak of another film. And he really, really, really impacted the box office of Brahmastra even in the South. And for that, we are all eternally grateful. Thank you.